Happy morning to all the lovely people across the world. With greetings and gratitude, I would like to welcome you for today's thought for the day. After relaxing, rejoicing, and gaining enough energy during the weekend, it's time to have a fresh start, fresh look on a refreshing Monday. Today's topic is related to energy. Everything in this creation is energy in different forms, and we are well aware that energy cannot be created nor destroyed, but only converted from one form to the other. Therefore, whichever form you want your energy to be converted based on your wisdom, based on your situation, or based on your goals, kindly turn your attention towards it. And it is a proven fact that wherever attention goes, energy flows and it grows. So, in this manner, all your energies are channelized and utilized properly and not wasted in unwanted things. Broadly speaking, we have energy stored in two forms, physical and emotional, and they are like two sides of the same coin. Or we can correlate to a mobile phone where the battery can be called as physical energy and connectivity as emotional energy. Both are important for smooth working of mobile. Similarly, for our life, both energies are equally important. Let me now explain an aspect of energy which is rarely talked about. It is mostly seen that people teach to perceive the passion, but rarely they teach to have compassion. This is due to less understanding about the difference between them in terms of energy level. Passion is focused on one or few things. Therefore, it burns out at some point when it is fulfilled, whereas compassion includes everything, hence has so much energy and fuel to burn that it does not die out. So, decide for yourself, based on your wisdom, where you would like your energy to flow. Remember one thing, attention is more important than thought. Here I would like to end today, thanking you for your valuable time. See you again tomorrow with a new thought. Till then, take care of yourself both physically and emotionally.